Good morning. It's my privilege and honor to be here amongst you, and welcome to the Business World HR Strategy Summit. As an entrepreneur, human resources and talent is the only competitive tool that we have in the industry that we operate in, the media industry. We have no factories, we have no brick and mortar assets, we have only people. So this forum is a forum that I plan to stay whole day and attend and hopefully pick up some things that I can apply back as an entrepreneur. I'm not really an expert on HR, but as an entrepreneur, I can tell you that the three things that cross my mind are: one is the fact that every colleague of mine, if not every 30% of colleagues of mine, want to be entrepreneurs. They want to create wealth. So how do you make sure within your organization you create a culture where really they can be entrepreneurial and you can do sharing of wealth? I think today that is the most important thing when you do HR. Second is the fact, in November last year, we did a cover in Business World, The Workplace of the Future. And I think when I read it, I said, when will we create the workplace of future in Business World? And just taken over Business World. And you know, again, we in the media like to preach to everyone. I think we have to start following what we preach, and if we followed that, really we'd be better off in every way. So really, how do you build an organization and a workplace of the future in terms of flexible timings, in terms of, most importantly, work-life balance? And I have a senior colleague here who often debates with me whether there is anything called a work-life balance, because according to him, there is no life if there's no work. But in terms of a holistic approach to well-being, because work is a larger part of that with the kind of stressful environment that we live in. And third, and again, this is my personal view, and if I offend someone, pardon me, I think increasingly in organizations, a lot of HR people are qualified enough to be CEOs. And today, I started 18 years back as a management trainee, fresh out of a business school. Since then, till now, I think I've seen lots of HR people who've become CEOs, who are leading organizations. So a lot of HR people aspire to be CEOs. But what I'd like to see is how many CEOs would like to be HR heads. I think the problem with CEOs is they don't want to be HR heads. They've left HR to the HR people. I think HR is too important to leave it to just to HR people. And again, I really seek your pardon if I'm saying something that is not with your thinking. As an entrepreneur, these are the thoughts that cross my mind. We believe that Business World is not a magazine. It's a platform to bring the community of business leaders together. We are in the business of business. So really, hopefully, next month we'll launch our digital platform, which in the due course, in the next 2 to 3 years, will become a daily product that hopefully will touch your lives and help you do what you do, both in terms of knowledge, insights, information. And third, we believe that forums like these bring the stakeholders together. They help in ideas exchange. It helps in meeting each other. It helps in getting out of office. And, you know, it does stimulate mind. It gets you to know things that you may not know within your office. So we believe that Business World must bring the stakeholders within various communities and sub-communities together. We have a long way to go, and I hope as a platform, we're able to continue to get your respect and attention and help you in doing what you do well. Like all of you, I look forward to having a day of deliberations, which I can use back in my work as an entrepreneur. Thank you for being here. God bless you.